Okay, my name is Fathimah Azzahra and I come from class A and my student number is 13. Now in here I want to answer about the mid-type of ESP course. Okay, the first question is, what is ESP? ESP is an English language learning that is taught specifically to the student according to what the student needs. So the second question is, explain the emergence of the ESP. According to Hodgkinson and Waters, there are three cases resulted in the emergence of ESP. The first, the demand of a brave new word. So the second, the revolution in linguistics, and the third, focus on the learner. So the next question is, elaborate the characteristic of ESP. In the ESP, there are three characteristics. The first, ESP is defined to meet specific needs of the learner. So the second, ESP makes use of the underlying methodology and activities of the discipline itself. So the third, ESP is centered on the language appropriate to these activities in terms of grammar, lexis, register, study skills, discourse, and genre. So I can conclude that from the three characteristics that ESP is indeed designed for a specific learning. So therefore, all activities and also the methodology in ESP learning must be accordant with their field, That means all the material is according to what the student needs. So, in the material in the ESP learning is uncertain because the material provided in the ESP must match what is needed by the student. So the next question is, explain the process of need analysis. In a process of need analysis carried out in ESP, the teacher must identify two factors, namely target needs and learning needs. Within the target needs, they are the learning wants and the learning likes. In the target needs, the teacher is more inclined to look for the problems or to know all the problems faced by the student. So in this process, usually the teacher immediately asks to the student what the learning wants and what the learning likes of the student. Furthermore, the learning needs. The learning needs. In this process, the teacher looks for and also arrange everything that is needed by the student. Then the teacher look for the suitable materials or suitable components to meet the learning want and the learning needs of the student. So the next question is the difference between EGP and ESP. So in here I want to tell ESP first. ESP learning is usually carried out by the student from the adult community or people who are already working. So the goal of ESP itself is to fulfill the needs of students in learning English. Therefore, in the ESP, the material is arranged and made according to what student need. And in ESP learning, usually teach the practice, not teach the theory. So whereas in EGP learning is usual, followed by elementary school, junior high school, and also senior high school student. And EGP currently has a different goal than ESP. EGP itself aims to improve general English competence such as reading, speaking, writing, grammar, and etc. And the material provided in EGP learning has been arranged according to the curriculum and syllabus. I think it's enough. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.